Hi everybody! Welcome sa ating Philippine Benevolent Missionaries Association Incorporated. SIC registration number 00000028042, October 19, 1965. Master's Message, August 27, 2011, Long Beach, California, Chapter. Strong foundation is the key to success. Message to all officers and members of Long Beach Chapter, California. In this second anniversary your chapter, may I convey that the mission of the association is finite as far as the authority and recognition of the government is granted to us. But the purpose how it was created is beyond authority, vocation, and reality of man's conscious existence. It is eternal, boundless, and timeless because it is designed according to God's purpose in keeping the human universe within the mainstream of His Almighty. However, man created a lot of causes on violation and distractions, disobedience, and obstructions towards confusions on divine purpose of human life. This defines the association. To become honest, sincere, loyal, and other sort of making missionary values of the association a way of life is not a work of convenience. It is an acceptance of being uncomfortable for the comfort of fellow men, a task of suffering for the glory of God and His people, and keeping ourselves honest, though others not. Those to be in service towards and through, this is the real essence of mission. Today, there are a lot of temporal realities disturbing the foundation of our faith and commitment in providing and pursuing our missionary service. We are now on the verge of trials for our faith, values, and character of being a missionary. Strong foundation is the key to success. Set yourself to work on strengthening the weakness you perceive in your chapter and fellow missioners. With this, I am encouraging you to explore the weaknesses among yourself, your faith, your values, and missionary working relationship toward chapter governance, management, and administration where you could start to work on. Define and establish the level of strength and success you want to achieve in your mission as a chapter. Work your individual mission in collaboration with fellow missionaries for your chapter so that your chapter will work for California. Thank you for all continuing support to the association, especially to the challenges we are now encountering. May you always keep your prayers, objectively share your efforts to work not only for the success but for the significance of your mission, being a member of the PBMA Incorporated. Good luck and congratulations. Signed by beloved Master Rubin Buray Cleo Jr., our PBMA Supreme President.